Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this LG TV, and this is a 75 Nano 85. This is a 4K TV, so let's take a look. Just in case you're wondering about the measurements of the box, it measures 71 inches by 44.5 by 9 inches. I took the box out and it comes in nicely wrapped, and also it comes with the legs. And the legs measure 14 inches from back to front. And it comes with a bag with the remote and other things. In the bag you have the remote. And it comes with the batteries. You also have this cable, screws for the legs, other plastics, I don't know what they're for yet. How to set up Google Assistant, register your TV for a warranty, and the instructions. As for inputs in the back of the TV, you have the AV in, that's why you have the cable provided to you. You also have the antenna, optical, that goes in here, Ethernet cable or your LAN goes in there. You have a USB in here, and you have two more on this side. You have a USB 1 and 2 here. Then you have your HDMI in, 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. You have 4K in the ARC, so you can control your soundbar, which I will do. One of the cool features about LG's remote is that you have the microphone here, so you can search with voice. You also have presets like Netflix and Amazon Prime. You can control your DVD player on the bottom, and you have something like looks like a mouse. Oh, I'll just turn on the TV for the first time. Right now is tuning to channels that are local because I do have an antenna as well, and it's doing it very fast. Another cool feature about the TV is that you can download an Android or iOS application, so you can control your TV from your mobile device. The picture looks amazing. The colors are very vivid and it just looks exquisite. You can watch the TV from any angle and it looks great. So if you have company, your friends or family will not be disappointed. You have a lot of settings to play around with, from picture mode to sound. You can do timer. Right now I have the TV connected wired, but you can do it wireless. You have more settings here. And on the bottom you have all your applications to watch your favorite shows. This is the first time I used this type of system, but it's very easy to use. To use the mic, all you have to do is press, hold, and ask your assistant, how's the weather today? How's the weather in Paris? Turn on Prime Video. So you don't have to input all your titles for your movies or shows. All you have to do is ask. I've had the TV for about a week now and it looks great. I really enjoy it. We are all enjoying the TV. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helps you in any way, and enjoy.